All right, today's Math in the News. Did you know that today is National Monopoly Day?
I did not know that, Mike.
Well, it's a big thing, Deanna. So you are with Kern Valley Strong. I almost said that.
Yeah,
but it's
hard to break old habits, right?
Right, I mean, because it was that other name for a long time.
It was.
And it's not like it's a bad thing.
No, it's a great thing.
But we just try to remember that it is Valley Strong Credit Union.
Absolutely, yes.
And Deanna, what is your role with the credit union?
My role with the credit union, I oversee business banking and our cash management services.
And that has a bit to do with Monopoly.
Yes, it does.
All right, because it's not like you're trying to monopolize things, but the way Monopoly works.
Yeah, you can buy companies, you can buy real estate, you're moving money around a board. We do that every day.
Okay, so I know you've got a little presentation here that we're going to talk about that. So if you want to, let's go ahead and go through that a little bit.
All right, I'll walk this way. All right, everybody. Mike, I thought since today was really do the math, I'd talk a little bit about our online banking and what that does for our business owners and how it teaches them to save money, manage fraud, get cash in their bank account quicker, and to also think about how they hold on to their cash and make payments a little bit easier on the day that it's due.
And it's probably a little bit easier for people starting businesses. I would imagine they're probably on the younger side as opposed to myself. And they're growing up with online banking.
Yes, they are. Many of them are. And sometimes they don't realize the tools that are out there that banks have available to help them run their businesses a little bit easier. I had a little bit of information about the credit union. We were talking a little bit about that. Our credit union has grown now to where we're serving about 358,000 members all throughout the Central Valley. On our business side, we have about 7,300 members going on with our organization. And if you can look here, we've helped a lot of our businesses who are banking with us now at almost 500 million in deposits. So we've come a long way in how we're serving our business community and really could be excited about showing you where we're located. And if we have businesses out there in the community that want to know how they can come see us, we're in the San Joaquin County. We're up north in the Solano County and of course Tulare County. And then originally our roots here back in Kern County, and you can see all of our locations here where we help a lot of our business owners come do the math with us.
I was going to say that expansion of the credit union itself is due to a lot of geographic expansion as well.
Yes, it is. Yeah, kind of going back to our name change, if you want to expand, you want to be able to have that name resonate with people in other markets. So we've had a lot of fun with that, and we get a lot of great kudos around our name, and a lot of people really love the Valley Strong in there and what that means for our community.
There's a lot of people, different places and businesses that use Valley in their name to accommodate a bigger area also.
Yes, so it resonates pretty well. So let's talk a little bit about why banking tools matter and how the business owners can use online banking and even consumers on the other side, but we're focusing on what it really does for a business owner. It definitely saves them time. We talked about how it's going to improve their cash flow. We have services that connect a scanner where they can go into online banking, launch this scanner, make deposits right from their desk, and that funds go right into their bank account right then and there. So sometimes people want to go into the branches and they're depositing money there at the teller. Well, this speeds it up a little bit.
Right,
so if they're collecting quickly, they don't have to wait, right? So that gets money in their bank account quick.
Sometimes it's nice to go into the
Absolutely,
but
yes.
It does take some time if you're there at the wrong time.
Or they're paying their employees sometimes to do that. And our systems, help reduce risk on their accounts from fraud. Fraud is rampant out there today. So a lot of these tools we recommend to our community because it does help them stay more secure and run things a little bit more efficiently. The other element we have, around our online banking is about automatic payments. Many businesses have to pay payments, right? They're being able to wire funds out if something's a little bit more urgent. They've got to get the money there quicker. So we talk a little bit about, real-time payments and how that creates efficiencies for businesses and the money behind the madness sometimes for business owners. So these tools help them run their operation a little bit more efficiently and control the timing on when things need to happen, which then in turn helps them predict where they need to be with their cash.
Right, and they can set those times and dates to make it more efficient for them.
Yes, absolutely. So the other element I had talked about was preventing fraud. Fraud is rampant these days. We have to be in a partnership with our customers as well. And what that means is we've got systems in place that allow a business owner to say, hey, here's an item trying to come in and clear my account. Hey, that's fraud. That's not an item that I issued out to anybody. So that system gives them the ability to stop that. They don't have to close their accounts. We stop that payment, it never hits the account, and they have full control of managing if fraud is trying to hit there. And if people are worried about, they have a lot of employees, they want to make sure that they're having other people access systems, but maybe they want to control approving, different things that are happening on payments. We have the ability to make sure somebody can issue a payment, but has to approve a payment in the system. So again, that managing that fraud on their business. And then just managing the accounts overall. This gives them the operating account overview. They can manage their tax reserve accounts. Again, fraud protection, move money around. So we use a lot of this technology to really help companies and make it available to them. And then just smart safes. That's another really new cool tool. When you think about money moving around, and Aaron's a conversation around buying goods and services, what these smart safes do now, they're in a store, money goes into those safes, and then it communicates to our bank how much is in there, and we credit that business owner at the end of every day.
Oh,
so it's
okay.
really cool technology that is evolving over time that many businesses now can take advantage of. So really cool tools. And then really just a little bit about us and our community. We really want to be here to make local decisions, which does help move things along quicker and give really good high touch. I like to say we like to roll out that green carpet for our members that come into the organization.
The green carpet.
The green carpet, right? Not red carpet, but green carpet. And just really looking at our modern and progressing technology to help with that. So really we encourage the community to come visit with us, come sit down and have some friendly conversations, and we have lots of tools to really help companies do what they need to do best and be here for a trusted advisor.
Yeah, and I can say that definitely there's a lot of services, and come on back over, Deanna, because Valley Strong has been a great partner of Do the Math and the Kern County Superintendent of Schools
Yes.
since the inception of this program almost 25 years ago.
Yeah.
And we certainly do appreciate everything that you guys do as far as the community is concerned, helping businesses get started and then maintaining them, and then also doing things with the students to help them better understand. And then
Yes.
having those branches in some of the schools also is a big opportunity
really
also for them to
a
learn.
great start we had. Our roots are in education, and that's why it's so critical that we maintain these partnerships and we give students the opportunity to be exposed to the industry early on. And many of those students move on to be employees of the organization and have turned into leadership roles. So it's been a really awesome partnership.
So a little bit off the topic, but kind of on topic. If you're playing Monopoly, is there a certain part of the board you try to monopolize or try to gain control of?
I love to buy hotels and put them around the moot so I can make some
There
more
you
money.
go. More than the houses, right? Get those
More
off
than
the
the
air.
houses.
Deanna, thank you
Pay
very
more
much for
rent.
coming in this afternoon.
Thank you so much, Mike.
We'll be back with more right after this.